goal of my research is to understand how brain tumors invade and spread. It's the hope that with this understanding we'll be able to develop new treatments and eventually cure for patients with brain cancer. I think the one person that comes to mind that we helped in her clinical course was a young girl from Colombia, South America, who was diagnosed with medulloblastoma, was treated there, and then eventually the tumor recurred. The doctors there told her there was nothing more that they could do and that she had less than 12 months to live. The father reached out to us in desperation, asking us whether there was anything that could be done. I asked for her records, and in looking I thought there could be a treatment that she had not received yet, which included high-dose chemotherapy and stem cell transplant. So we invited her to the United States and gave her this treatment. And I'm very pleased to say that 7 years later, she's in complete remission, is a perfect, beautiful little girl. And I think it's actually one of the most gratifying experiences of my life. Well, I can't really come up with one of the funniest things that's come in my career, but I can tell you in working with children and family on a daily basis that you're sure to get a giggle or a laugh just by the little things that they say every time they come in. So I have to say that that's probably one of the greatest rewards we have in working with families to help their children. Well, of course, I'd first like to say a big thank you to all of those who are swimming and training and participating in the Swim Across America Foundation. Without your help, my research could not be possible, as many others could not be possible because of the funding that is needed to keep these labs ongoing and prospering in the times of the budget crisis. The Swim Across America support of my research is extremely important because research is the only avenue we have to find new treatments and cures. For most of us, the majority of our funding support has come from the national government in the form of the National Institutes of Health. However, because of the budget crisis, funds are extremely scarce and very competitive. So even for the most credible of researchers, we have to look for alternative funding sources just to keep the labs up and running and the research going. So with the help of Swim Across America, my lab can continue its research in the hope of finding a cure for pediatric brain cancer.